Welcome back. We are still on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the equation of a straight line when you have the gradient of the straight line and a point that falls on the line. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: find the equation of the straight line that passes through the point 1 minus 5 and having a gradient of 3 divided by 4. This question is a WASSCE pass question. It came in the Core Mathematics WASSCE 2019 objective test. It was question number 35. So the question wants us to find the equation of a straight line that has a gradient of 3 divided by 4 and passes through the point 1 minus 5. We are given options A, B, C, D. Let's go ahead and solve this question. The point is 1 minus 5 and the gradient of the line is 3 divided by 4. We have learnt that if we have the gradient of a straight line and a point that falls on the straight line, then the equation of the line is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1, where m is the gradient of the line and x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point that falls on the straight line. So x1 is the x coordinate. So in this case, we have x1 as 1 and y1 is the y coordinate. So we have y1 as minus 5. We substitute this information into the formula. Once again, the equation of a straight line is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. y1 is minus 5, m is 3 divided by 4, and x1 is 1. So you have y plus 5 is equal to 3 divided by 4 into bracket x minus 1. Y minus y1, but y1 is minus 5. So you have y minus minus 5, which will give us y plus 5. M is 3 divided by 4 and x1 is 1. We have a fraction in this equation. We will cancel out the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM of the denominators. We have only one fraction, so the denominator is going to be the same as the LCM. So in this case, we will multiply the left-hand side by the denominator, which is 4, and we also multiply the right-hand side by the denominator, which is 4. And this will give us 4 into bracket y plus 5 is equal to 4 times 3 divided by 4 into bracket x minus 1. Y plus 5 is a binomial. So if you are multiplying 4 by a binomial, we will put the binomial in a bracket. We learned this under algebra. So we will have 4 into bracket y plus 5 is equal to 4 times 3 divided by 4 into bracket x minus 1. 4 will cancel 4, and this will give us 4 into bracket y plus 5 is equal to 3 into bracket x minus 1. We open the bracket and then we simplify. 4 times y will give us 4y, 4 times 5 will give us 20, 3 times x will give us 3x, and 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. I'm going to group all the terms on one side of the equation. So I will send 4y and 20 from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. This will give us 3x minus 4y minus 3 minus 20 is equal to 0. And when we simplify this further, we are going to have 3x minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 0. This was an objective test, so we were given options A, B, C, D, as you can see here. If we compare our answer with these options, we can see that option A is the right answer. So option A, which is 3x minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 0, is the equation of the straight line. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos by clicking on the red subscribe button that you see. In the video on finding the equation of a straight line, we learned that the equation of a straight line can be found under two conditions. 1. When you have the gradient and a point that falls on the straight line. And 2. when you have 2 points that fall on a straight line. So far, we have learned how to find the equation of a straight line when you have the gradient and a point that falls on the line. In the next video, we are going to learn how to find the equation of a straight line when you have 2 points that fall on the line. Bye bye.